Chloe. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my Halloween makeup tutorial. I love this time of year because I get to experiment with color and makeup and design. And this year we are both Cleopatra, so I thought that was very cute. So if you want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. Okay, so if you guys want to know a secret about my tutorials, I never practice them. So I have never done this look before, but we're an artist. How hard could it be? So I'm gonna put all the items I'm using in this tutorial down below. You guys remember the vlog I did years ago? I think it was 2 years ago for Halloween. Chloe and I went to a dog parade and we actually won. Well, we got runner-up. So first I'm going to start with my Master Palette by Mario, just to lay down a neutral skin tone color all over my eye. So I'm gonna go into the color Isabel. It is a matte brown that's like a skin tone color. I like doing this just to provide an all over color that makes it easy to blend everything else into. So I'm just gonna put that in my crease space. Now I'm gonna go into the blue for the makeup look, and for that I'm gonna be using my Sephora Pro Neon palette. I have never used it, but I didn't have a light blue color, so I'm gonna do a dark blue, and it is right there. It's looking kind of purple in the pan. There we go. And for that, I'm going to use a fluffy crease brush. And this is a blue matte color. I'm gonna tap off the excess and just blend this on up. Now, blue is one of those colors that will look horrible until you're done blending. I don't know what it is about the blue pigment. It's also one of the hardest colors to blend, I find. But like I said, usually the look ends up coming together nicely. And I'm gonna blend it up a little higher than normal, just because this is going to be a very dramatic eye. And yeah, I want you to be able to really see it. So I'm just gonna repeat the same thing to this eye, building up that blue color gradually so that it's blended out really nicely. So I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and I'm going to wet it with some Fix Plus, press it on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna take my Sugarpill Cosmetics 24 karat gold. Just kidding, it's called Goldilux. This is one of my favorite gold colors ever. I'm gonna press that brush into the pigment and I'm going to put it on my lid. And I'm gonna be focusing it on the inner 1/2. See how bright that is? Ooh. Now, if you have hooded eyes like me, try to keep your eye open. It literally looks like a gold pigment. Try to relax my eyes and hope that it doesn't transfer. Okay, now I'm gonna do the black part of the look. So this look is comprised of blue, gold, and black, as I'm sure you saw in the intro. So I'm going to take an angled flat brush. This is actually a Kat Von D eyebrow brush, and because I can't really find my staple liquid liner, I'm going to be using a gel liner, which should work equally as well. So I'm going to go off of a guide of the top line and I'm just going to create a super wing. And it's supposed to come out past your eyebrow. But I'm not gonna do that. Okay, now I'm gonna fill it in the corner, and then I'll go back and smudge it and kind of blend it. But that's why I left this outer corner open. See how now it just looks really, really exaggerated? It's coming together, guys. I'm telling you, it always looks crazy when you're doing it. Okay, now so I'm gonna repeat this to the other side and then work on blending it. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and kind of just smudge this black towards the middle to kind of make it have a gradient effect. I'm taking a pencil brush and this will flake off some of the gold, but that's okay. Let me try to touch up this blue. I'm gonna go into the color Gonzo from the Urban Decay, what's this called? Electric palette. I just wanna try to brighten up that blue. See, that just made it pop. Perfect. And that's the one thing I find with blues, it's all about how you layer them. Because if you watch my videos, you know I would normally never pat a color onto my crease. But with blues, because they can really transform when on your actual eyes, sometimes you kind of have to play with them to get them to be like very vibrant. I'm gonna stop messing with my eyes. Now let's go to our face. I'm gonna be using some concealer to brighten up my under eye area, to clean up this line of whatever you want to call that design. And you guys know this is my really bright concealer. Y'all, I'm loving this look. Ooh, I'm supposed to go somewhere after this, but I might not be able to. Okay, I'm just gonna use a beauty blender to blend that out. You know, the funny thing is, I never go to Halloween like parties or anything like that. Growing up, we never really celebrated Halloween, so it isn't something I'm super into, but I do think it's fun to like do Halloween makeup. So now let's do our powder. I'm gonna be using my loose translucent setting powder. Like I told you guys, when I do these looks, it's the first time I'm doing them. You don't have to be perfect with makeup. I'm not concentrating on my forehead a lot because I'm gonna be wearing my faux bang. Okay, now I'm gonna apply some bronzer. My favorite part of any makeup look. And this is what is going to help bring our face back so we don't look so bright. I am going to apply the bronzer to my forehead, even though you won't see it. Because if I happen to take pictures without it, I want to look semi-normal. I always put bronzer across the bridge of my nose. Yes, I'm feeling like Jasmine from Aladdin. Yes, honey. Woo. Woo, you can't tell me anything. Okay. So we're not done. For under the eye, I'm going to put black eyeliner and smudge it. So So I'm gonna be using my NARS liner. Okay, now I'm going to take my mascara and I'm gonna apply this to my top and bottom lashes. Now the look that I was inspired by features some detailed eye work. Whew, we're gonna try to do it, child. Let me practice on my head first. Okay, that's our first line. It's not straight, but that's okay. That's gonna have to be good enough. I can't do a little swirly with an angled brush, but I can do this little triangle. I like that. Okay. And now let's get back to more of the face. I'm going to put on my blush. I'm using my favorite MAC Sweetest Cocoa. And for the lips, I'm going to be using a matte lipstick. And it is a warm tone matte. So I'm gonna take that same black that we used for our lines over here, and I'm gonna make a line going down my lower lip. So once you do this, you can't press your lips together anymore. This is intense. Okay, guys. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys love it. I originally bought a bang to wear, but I don't really like the way the bang looks. It makes me look like I have on a horribly disgusting wig. Come on, Chloe. This is Miss Grace's costume. She's Cleopatra as well. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below and I will see you in the next video. Bye.